Hello, my doTERRA friends. Well, it is the holiday collection time, and in this video, we're going to go over what you need to know about each of the products that are offered. Now, these are exclusive products that are never offered, hardly ever. This might be the first time. They might be just bringing it back for the season, but this is a limited time exclusive product offering that they're starting on November the 1st. So in this video, we're going to go over which products are offered, how to use them, and make sure that you have everything you need to know to make an informative decision for your gift giving season. My name is Caroline Lee, and let's dive in. So the first thing that I want to talk a little bit about is the Bright and Cozy Trio. And this one's going to be great for those that, maybe are newer to essential oils, or maybe you want to gift your friends and family some samples so they can try some of the most popular essential oils that are around. This is a trio that comes in 5 ml bottles, and you're going to get three essential oils. You're going to get that peppermint that we know and love. You're going to get Madagascar vanilla, and you're going to get wild orange. So these three, even if you put them all together in the diffuser, are going to smell amazing. They're going to help you feel alert and happy and definitely excited for the season. So on the screen, you can see the price for the trio. It makes a great stocking stuffer or gift for a teacher or a dear friend or loved one. All right, we all love the bubble diffuser. It is such an amazing diffuser. We love it because it is a motion detector sensor, and we love it. So you just walk by it and it starts puffing out some essential oils. And this is partnered with Holiday Peace, one of my favorite seasonal blends that doTERRA offers. We're going to talk a little bit more about that blend, but you can see this is $52 for the diffuser and the oil blend. You'll get a 15 ml bottle for that for our wholesale customers. Retail at $69.33. All right, who doesn't like cinnamon drops? Man, it is very similar to our On Guard tasting throat drops, but this is pure kind of candy. If you like hot tamales, you will love this with the benefit of cinnamon. The wholesale customers is 14.50. Retail customers are going to be 19.33. And again, I think there's a limit of four per account. All right, my friends, I tried this product at Leadership and absolutely loved it. So think you're in November, you're in December, you're stressed out. Maybe it's a little drier where you're at. This is what you're going to want to pull out. This is going to be so smooth, and um, it's going to add so much moisture, and it smells so amazing. If you ever had gardenia, it's a light scent flower. It smells just wonderful, but it's going to leave your hands moisturized and soft. So this is definitely a great stocking stuffer for you. So my wholesale customers, it's 19.50. Retail customers, it's 26. And then if you just want the gardenia touch, you're welcome to get that separately. Now that's going to be 34 for my wholesale customers and 45 for my retail customers. And this has been available. I know I've gotten this before on limited time offers or at through a convention kit. They've given this one. It is definitely one of my favorites that I use in a rotation as far as perfume goes. All right, our favorites are back for the holiday times. So we love holiday joy, we love holiday peace, we love holiday love. There's different ways that you can get it. You can buy these two separate. You can do the holiday joy or the holiday peace separately, or you can get them in a trio with that holiday joy. So I want to talk a little bit about each one. So that you can kind of get a sense of how to use it. So holiday joy is got more spice and citrus in it. For me, it's very good for when I'm entertaining people and I want them in a nice, energetic, it smells like the holidays. So that's when I put that in my diffuser. Now, Holiday Peace is going to have more calming oils. It's still going to have some of those wood oils in there, but it's going to have some more calming wood oils as well. Like I think vetiver's in this one. But this one definitely is great for when I need to relax a little bit, maybe when after everyone's leaving, or whether I need to, I'm wrapping presents, those type of things, or I'm preparing food for everybody coming over. I might put the holiday piece in just to kind of let me relax a little bit. And then Holiday Joy, we love it. Holiday Joy is a little bit lighter. It's got less of the spice in it. And I just love it. It's got a little bit more of the floral scent to it. But great combo. You can get it in all three different ways. And like I said, up to four, I think you can get of these. All right, doTERRA has brought back the lemon lime drops. We've had this before, and now it's going to be in a cute little bag for $14.50 for my wholesale customers, or 19.33 for my retail customers. This combines lemon and lime essential oils, so you got a bright citrus flavor to it. Kids are going to love this. It is just nice, great stocking stuffer for kids too. But definitely put a couple out and about so you guys can pop that in when you're running your errands. All right, my friends, we tried this at leadership and I fell in love with this. This is something that I am definitely going to get for my own family. But this honey from the Yucatan Peninsula was prized by the Mayans for centuries because of their health benefits and the culinary properties that are available in the honey that these bees provide. Now they've added and infused the wild orange essential oil into this honey blend. So you can add that to your toast as a spread. You can add it to your favorite teas. You can just put a spoonful into your mouth to get some of the health benefits that way. It is amazing. You definitely do not want to miss this. It's 18.50 for my wholesale customers, 24.67 for my retail customers. Put this in your cart. You're going to want this. All right, this is a product for anybody that has irritated skin. Maybe you have some sensitivities to other carrier oils. This is a gentle carrier oil designed to help calm, to comfort, and to condition your skin. It's going to be very lightweight and penetrating, and you're definitely going to want to take a look at this. And if that is your issue that you have and you need some support, consider putting this in your cart for the month of November. It's $18 for wholesale members, 24 for our retail customers. All right, so let's soothe our lips and let's add a little pop of color for the holiday season. This is a hydrating tinted lip gloss, and it has a little bit of mint in there for you. It's got Japanese mint, wild orange, and clove. And this is available 14.50 for our wholesale customers, 19.33. So a limit of four of these. But if you want something special, a little bit of zing and some yummy oils, this is the lip gloss for you. All right. Every once in a while, doTERRA surprises even me, a wellness advocate of 14 years with them, with a new blend that you will absolutely love. If you love wood oils, you will love this. It's warming, it's inviting. This is called the U-Log Inviting Blend. Now, it is going to be amazing. It's got some wood oils and spice oils in it. And this is available limited time offer, 28.50 for wholesale members, $38 retail. You are absolutely going to love this blend if you like wood oils. And I know in the holiday season, I'm always looking for other oils. The Holiday Joy, Holiday Love, Holiday Peace are great ones, but this one is definitely going to go right by my Northern Escape and some of my wood oils, like my Douglas fir. I absolutely love it. It's so grounding and so inviting. So as we get into the holiday season, and our stress levels go high, and we want something that's grounding in the diffuser, this is the one to grab. Besides the holiday piece, I love that one for that. All right. I think this is the last item up is the Yarrow Palm Revitalizing Eye Mask. And they had this come out, I think, for Mother's Day. Have used this definitely when you have some puffiness in your eyes. Maybe you're didn't sleep very well at night. Maybe you're a little emotional, you've been crying. That's definitely when I've pulled this out and use it. So this one combines Yarrow Palm in an eye mask, and it's great. I just put it right underneath my eyes for about 5 to 10 minutes and then take it off. There's usually excess in the container, so then I wipe that all over my face because we know how soothing and great Yarrow Palm is for our skin. This is a great gift for any woman or anybody that you know that has that puffy eyes, maybe wants the benefit of Yarrow Palm. So wholesale customers is 39.50. Our retail customers, it is 52.67. All right, my friends, I cannot end this video without talking about the Refer a Friend program because the products we love, we share with our friends and family. So if there's a product that you love, like the Yule log or the holiday piece, or maybe it's the adaptive capsules, and you want to share it with your friends and family, look for the shareable link that is available when you log in and look at that product. It makes it super easy. You can share that with your friends and family. They click on the link, and when they purchase from that link, they will get their first free membership. So with doTERRA, they'll have a whole year of the wholesale pricing. That's your gift to them because they were your friend. They get it free for the whole year. And then you, as the referral, will get 20% back in what we call doTERRA dollars to spend on a future purchase. So they just put in a little cart for you, and then you can use it when you're ordering next time. But this is just a way that doTERRA thanks you for getting somebody involved and their products through you. And then if they do, when they sign up, they will get referred to me as their support, and I will contact them and teach them how to use the essential oils. Now, if you're currently not a wholesale customer yet, I do have this a wonderful QR code you can scan, and it gets you to a demi cart where you can add whatever products you want to it. And this will get you the 20%, 25% off of your products and include your free membership. I will give some more perks on this one. If you spend 100 PV, you're going to get free shipping. If you do 150 PV, you can actually choose one of these three gifts on the screen. So you can get a diffuser, you can get foaming hand soap, you can try the toothpaste out, see which one you want. It's a fun free gift for just upping that order to 150. All right, my oil friends, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please do so now. As always, have a fabulous month and keep oiling.